I've got a nail video for you today. Let's create something super, super simple. And I'm doing a collab with a friend, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. We haven't done a nail video in a really long time. That's what we're gonna do tonight. I'm doing a collab with Rita, a friend I made on Twitter. We talk about beauty a lot together and we correspond on Twitter. And we thought it would be really fun for her to take something that she's really good at, which is nails. She's got some great nail videos, and teach me something. And at first I said, oh, you know, no, this won't work. And she said, look, I can give you a really simple one that you can do. And so she must have watched a few of my videos because she knows I'm gonna need a little bit of help with this. So sure enough, she sent me the video over that she created for me, and I think I can do this. This is simple enough that it's Michelle proof. That's all I'm saying, Michelle proof. Let me share with you the things we're going to need to do this art. First thing is gonna be a package of, just kidding. Not about to use a huge package of nail brushes the first time I'm ever creating nail art. No, in fact, we're gonna do something much, much easier. She's not mean to me. This is actually super easy to use. I've actually seen many videos using these, and anything I've seen using these, I've been like, can't do it. Didn't keep me from buying them when they were only $1 in my deals group. Same. So we'll pick you up some of these. And then these are the colors I'm going to use. She's used slightly different colors. I didn't have the exact same colors. And I'm not gonna show you every single step. You're gonna have to go check out our channel to see that, and I will link that for you here, and I will link that for you down there. You can either go watch it right now to get an idea of what is going on and how close to right I'm doing it. We all know it's not gonna be close, right? Not gonna be close. These are the colors I'm using, in no particular, I don't really care about brands. I just buy the colors that I like. This is Cokie and some kind of really light pink. I just said it wrong, didn't I? I'm Cokie, cookie. I don't know. None of that's right. This is Opie and parentheses. I actually know how to say it in parentheses. A really, really pretty color. Got this recently on clearance at CVS. This is an organic polish called Mineral Fusion in this really nice pale green. This gorgeous, gorgeous purple from Sinful Colors. We've got Essie in silver. Can we have a nail polish look without an Essie? I don't know. In addition to that, we'll need some nail polish remover and some Q-tips. And me personally, I like to make them dry quicker because everything smudges. It's why I never do my nails. So we'll give this a try to see if it actually works. I'll link all of that for you just below here. There should be a little arrow if you're on your phone, and if you're on your computer, just scroll down. If there was a particular color that you really liked and wanted to get, some of these may be out of stock. I'm pretty sure I've had this for about 5 years. I'm not really one to throw things away when it comes to makeup and beauty. Let's get going.
Important thing is make sure to cap the edges of your nails because it will make them look more professional. So don't panic if you don't get perfect circles, because this is not the point.
Something doesn't look right. Nailed it! Love hearing about other people's traditions, but even better than telling me about what this year's Thanksgiving is going to be. Yes, I am aware it's no longer Thanksgiving. I can't help it. That's when I recorded this and finally got it edited. Tell me a horror story from previous Thanksgiving, and I'll get down in the comments and tell you some of mine too. Okay, so what do you think? Do you think you can do it? I would love for you to try. If you have a YouTube channel or you have Instagram or Twitter and you give this a try, post it for me, tag Rita. Don't forget to go over and check out Rita's channel so you can see what she does and what she creates, and just say thanks to her for helping me out with some nail stuff. Also, go tell her what you want her to teach us next time. Maybe we should do a Christmas themed nail. You gotta go tell her. In the meantime, I'm gonna link a video for you right there about some other nail stuff I've done. No nail art. This is my first time ever doing nail art. Isn't it so cool? I'm really excited. I'll see you real soon. Be kind and rewind. And you'll see each of these products listed below if there was a particular if there was a particular color